Nitro 950 spreader. The Nitro spreader from tube line originally started with the 450, 600, and 750 models, followed by the 950 model shortly after the initial product launch. Developed with features to ensure commercial readiness, these spreaders offer slip-slide polyboard floors and walls, a guillotine end gate, reversible apron chain, and quick-drop beaters. Engineered for commercial use, our commercial line are all scale-ready. The guillotine end gate can be held in any position, controlling how much material is able to be moved to the beaters by the variable speed apron chain. This method of delivery provides consistent metering whether working with pin pack or semi-solids. All Nitro models come equipped with a CV constant velocity shaft, allowing for a tighter turning radius, greatly reducing the incidence of driveline chatter in a tight turn and increasing the longevity of the driveline. The guillotine end gate can be opened partially to meter the amount of material being delivered to the beater assembly. This ensures the optimal delivery of lime and various manure consistencies to the field. New multi-packy 14 vertical bar bale bundler. The month of February has been very eventful for our American and export team, with two of the biggest national farming equipment shows happening almost simultaneously, for the first time since we opened Artisan Corp. In 2019, our General Director, Josep Ramon, along with 3 other members of the commercial and operations team, flew to the US to attend the 2 events and learn more about this incredible market. The first stop was in Tulare, California, where we presented the new multi-packy 14 bale bundler at the World Ag Expo on February 14th. The launch of this new model was a major revolution for the market, especially for the 3 tie bale hay producers who have been asking for a machine that could work with these bales for years. The demand for high-quality hay, primarily alfalfa and grass hay from Asian markets such as China, Japan, and South Korea, has increased exponentially in the last decade. AutoStack FSX vertical bar bale stacker. The AutoStack FSX sounds like an impressive and efficient piece of equipment designed to meet the needs of farmers and contractors dealing with bale logistics. Its key features, such as the fully automatic working cycle, enable a single operator to handle the collection and stacking of large and heavy bales with ease, ensuring safety and consistency throughout the process. By automating these tasks, the AutoStack FSX helps to save valuable time and reduce labor costs, making it a valuable investment for businesses and farms looking to streamline their operations. With this stacker model, farmers and contractors can optimize their bale handling processes, increasing overall efficiency and productivity. Having a reliable and efficient bale stacker like the AutoStack FSX can significantly benefit agricultural businesses that handle large quantities of bales regularly. It allows them to focus on other aspects of their work while knowing that the bale logistics are being handled efficiently by the machine. When using the AutoStack FSX, operators can expect smoother operations, increased throughput, and reduced need for manual intervention. These benefits can ultimately lead to cost savings and improved overall profitability for the users. Strautmann Test Stalling Stroyer. Strautmann Test Stalling Stroyer refers to a specific type of agricultural machinery, commonly known as a manure spreader in English. Strautmann is a well-known German manufacturer that produces a range of agricultural equipment, including manure spreaders. The Test Stalling Stroyer is designed for spreading animal manure, typically collected from livestock stables, onto fields as natural fertilizer. This process helps to enrich the soil with essential nutrients and organic matter, promoting healthy crop growth. By spreading the manure evenly across the fields, the machine ensures efficient fertilization and minimizes the risk of over-fertilization or uneven nutrient distribution. Some key features commonly found in Strautmann test-Stalding Streuer models may include 1. Robust construction. The spreader is built to withstand the demanding conditions of agricultural use and is often made from durable materials such as steel. 2. Large capacity. The test-Stalding Streuer comes in different sizes with varying capacities, allowing farmers to choose a model that suits their specific needs and the size of their fields. 3. Spreading mechanism. These manure spreaders use various spreading mechanisms, such as vertical beaters, horizontal beaters, or spinning discs, to distribute the manure effectively and evenly. 4. Hydraulic controls. Many modern models are equipped with hydraulic controls that allow for precise adjustment of spreading width, rate, and direction. 5. PTO-driven. The spreader is typically powered by the tractor's power takeoff PTO, providing the necessary mechanical power to operate the spreading mechanism. Using a Strautmann test-Stalding Streuer can help farmers efficiently manage and recycle manure. PZ8831 triple drum mower in reverse drive. If you want to mow wide working widths of up to 8.84 meters, then the PZ8831 is the right drum mower combination for you. Farms with tractors as from 85 kW 116 HP can now achieve maximum mowing widths, and therefore the highest work rates. With the legendary drum design of more than 25,000 front and rear mounted mowers sold worldwide. New pumpkin harvester. Pumpkin harvesters, also known as squash harvesters or vegetable harvesters, are specialized machines designed to efficiently harvest pumpkins and other similar crops from the field. They can come in various designs and configurations, but their main goal is to automate the harvesting process, saving time and labor costs for farmers. When searching for the latest pumpkin harvester models, it's best to consult reputable agricultural equipment manufacturers' websites or check with local dealerships that specialize in harvesting equipment. Additionally, agricultural trade shows and industry publications often showcase new equipment releases and innovations. Keep in mind that the specific features and capabilities of new pumpkin harvesters will vary depending on the manufacturer and the intended application. Some features to look for in modern pumpkin harvesters may include 1. High-capacity harvesting. The ability to harvest a large number of pumpkins efficiently in a short period. 2. Gentle handling. Minimizing damage to the pumpkins during the harvesting process to maintain their quality. 3. Adjustability. Machines that can be adapted to different pumpkin sizes and field conditions. 4. Easy maintenance. Equipment that is designed for easy cleaning and maintenance, helping to keep downtime to a minimum. 5. Safety features. Ensuring the safety of operators during operation. 6. Efficient debris removal. Effective removal of leaves, vines, and other debris from the harvested pumpkins. Remember that when considering a new pumpkin harvester, it's essential to evaluate your specific needs, the size of your operation, and the types of pumpkins you grow to find the most suitable machine for your requirements. Seed Solutions by Oxbow. The standard 5180 seed corn detasseler is the most technologically advanced and innovative detasseler on the market. Built around the TS4 toolbar, the 5108E chassis was designed for detasseling operations. Transporting is a critical design element. With the rear folding boom for truck transport and 25 miles per hour transport speed, the 5180 wastes no time getting to work. When in the field, the detector vision system keeps your cutters and pullers in the perfect spot. Oxbow detasseling solutions are the industry leaders in pulling percentage, all the while providing the most comfortable cabin with climate control and air-cooled seat for the long days in the field.